Hey guys, this package just arrived from China and I want you to unbox it with me. So let's get started. Gonna see me rocking these earrings in my next videos. Okay, these are one hook for frames. One hook for frames. These ones are for a customer. For the sneakers for a customer. So that's all. Thanks for watching. See, if you don't know how to import from China and you've always wanted to import from China, please click on the subscribe button right now because I'm going to be dropping more of importation videos very soon. So try and click on the subscribe button so that you don't miss out. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Smile. You like your dress? You like it? Say thank you, mommy. You're welcome.